Hey guys, I'm Asherita from Colombia and I'm kind of a Pokemon master. Well, I don't catch or train them because I'm talking about real life Pokemon. They do exist and are the birds. Did you know there are over 10,000 different birds around the world? Each with their own special powers, like their beaks, feet, and the way they fly. And I want to teach you how to become a bird Pokemon master too. So, if you're ready to learn how to spot, classify, and understand these amazing creatures, I'll show you the best tricks to spot birds and I will tell you when and where you can find them. So, if you're ready to learn how to spot birds, classify them, and understand how all this world of bird Pokemon works, I'm waiting here for you for an amazing class together for becoming better Pokemon Master.